Are you looking for a safe, reliable, and visually aesthetic way to cover a chain link fence for a baseball field this season? The Envirosafe premium vinyl fence pads are the perfect solution to protect players and to give your facility a vibrant and professional new makeover. But wait, why do you need a baseball fence topper? The sharp or protruding edges of a fence pose quite a hazard, especially during fast-paced games where collision is likely. Adding a layer of protection ensures that players are safe and can play as intense as necessary. Not to mention, adding a fence topper can give the field a professional and polished look. And with the Envirosafe premium padding, there are so many different color options available. These padding specifically are manufactured with 1-inch thick premium foam and are covered in a heavy-duty outdoor vinyl designed for years of use with minimal maintenance. And best of all, they are incredibly easy to set up. Let's take a look at how one of these are installed. The pre-shaped round construction makes it so you can easily slip the padding on top of the fence rail. Then all you need to do is add zip ties to the grommets to secure it into place. Swing on over to baseballfencestore.com to take a look at our wide selection of Envirosafe rail padding colors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.